How do we challenge ourselves in terms of manufacturing process to do different things in ways that have not previously been possible? We are witnessing flexibility in the concept of manufacturing. Being from Toronto, Canada, I'm very proud of Magna International, which is a contract automotive manufacturing company. And they have built so much flexibility into a single assembly line at one of their contract manufacturing plants in Graz, Austria. And rather than having one assembly line that is committed to mass production of a single product, they have focused on the concepts of agility, flexibility. We're witnessing disruptive ideas. The ability for blue jean production based on demand, based upon a customized measurement, based upon individual measurements using sophisticated Sobot technologies. We are witnessing significant change to what we can do with materials handling. A very good example is a device which is a startup known as the Grabbit. And utilizing electrostatic energy, the same energy that we use to carefully lift a balloon, they have designed a robot for materials handling which consumes some 60 to 80% of our time in the world of manufacturing. They have designed a robotic-like device which can lift an egg, can lift a 50-pound box, or can lift soft fabric. You know, what we are witnessing is very significant change in terms of the technologies that we can use throughout our entire material handling process. The world of 3D printing takes us into a different world of methodology. What is happening with 3D printing is the time to produce a product utilizing 3D printing technology is collapsing. We are in a world in which automotive parts manufacturers and others are rapidly exploring the opportunities, and they can now produce products 30 times faster using additive manufacturing process compared to what they could do 5 years ago. We are witnessing the collapse of time as technology accelerates the pace of disruptive innovation in the world of manufacturing.